Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are looking for a sleek, stylish way to serve your favorite treats, meet the IKEA KVITTERA serving stand, a modern twist on a classic design. With its clear glass plates and stainless steel frame, the serving stand is not just beautiful, it's clever and practical. The three detachable tires let you customize the height to suit your table setting. Perfect for hosting brunch, afternoon tea, or just elevating your everyday snack game. KVITTERA scooped plates help keep everything in place. Serve up sweets, fruits, pastries, or even selfies in style. When it comes to the measurement, the stand measures length of 31 cm, width of 27 cm, and a height of 34 cm. The serving stand is super easy to care for. It's dishwasher-safe up to 70 degrees Celsius. Just remember it's best for food and drinks up to 50 degrees Celsius in temperature. When it comes to the price, its MRP is around 1666, but it comes with the offer price of 1190 in INR, approximately 14 USD dollar. So upgrade your hosting game with IKEA KVITTERA serving stand. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more reviews. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.